Hi guys, today we will see the two manuals of new pipe organ completed. But first, if you haven't done yet, remember to subscribe and leave a like, thanks! I have already placed the lower keyboard and now I proceed to place the upper keyboard stand. Now I can set the keyboard. Since it's the first time that I build an organ like this, I check that the distance between the keyboard are fine. And they seem to be very comfortable. I can easily reach the upper keys with my fingers. The next step will be to build the action rods, which will be very special. See you next time, bye!